Here's a short video detailing how to access the update information inside of Schoology. I've logged into Schoology here, and as you can see, I'm seeing the chronological scroll here of messages and updated information from my courses and my groups. So everything is placed in here under chronological order. On the right hand side here, you can see as a most recent tab. If I click on here, I can choose it to go to updates, at which point it will simplify the content and only present to you the updates, as opposed to calendar information and submission information and all sorts of activity. So I've simplified it to updates. I can also go and click on a course here. So I will click on a sample course, a language arts sample course, and on the left hand side here I have updates. So I could click that one, and at that point I would see an updated list, should there be any, for the specific course. So once again, filtering. To go back, I click on the Hong Kong International School here, and it will take me back to the overview for the updates. I hope that helps.